used. For example, a simple grilled tuna steak with olive oil, salt, and pepper contains approximately 120 to 150 calories per 3-ounce serving. However, if the fish is breaded and fried, the calorie count can increase significantly. One breaded and fried tuna steak contains approximately 250 to 300 calories per serving. Conclusion. Tuna fish is a nutritious and delicious food that is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. It can be cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, broiling, and searing. When cooked simply with olive oil, salt, and pepper, tuna fish is a low-calorie food that can be a healthy addition to any diet. However, when breaded and fried, the calorie count can increase significantly. Regardless of how it is prepared, tuna fish is a tasty and nutritious food that can provide numerous health benefits. Tuna fish is a great addition to salads, as it adds a source of protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Here's a simple recipe for a delicious and nutritious tuna fish salad. Ingredients: 1 can of tuna fish, drained and flaked. 4 cups of mixed salad greens. Half cup of cherry tomatoes, halved. Half cup of sliced cucumber. 1/4 cup of sliced red onion. 1/4 cup of sliced black olives. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the tuna fish, salad greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and black olives. In a small mixing bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to make the dressing. Drizzle the dressing over the salad mixture and toss gently to coat. Serve the salad immediately, garnished with additional slices of lemon if desired. Variations. For a creamier dressing, mix the olive oil and lemon juice with a tablespoon of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise. Add some extra crunch to the salad by sprinkling some toasted almonds or sunflower seeds over the top. For a Mediterranean twist, substitute the cherry tomatoes with sliced roasted red peppers, and add some crumbled feta cheese to the salad. Overall, a tuna fish salad is a healthy and flavorful way to incorporate more seafood into your diet. It's easy to prepare and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Enjoy!